Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? Welcome back. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into CrowdStrike. We've already published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? Try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.71. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have gained an impressive 67.52% since we first recommended CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 64 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.05% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 62.05% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between 55.03% and 68.01%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 101.39% over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 43.96% and 107.9%. This translates to a price range of $421.08 to $608.10 after 1 year. Our latest update on CrowdStrike brings the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for CrowdStrike as stock downgraded to buy candidate." On the last trading day, Wednesday, January 31, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price fell by 2.94%, dropping from $301.35 to $292.50. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 3.17% fluctuation, reaching a low of $290.89 and a high of $300.12. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a growth of 5.87% over the past 2 weeks. Although volume increased by 376,000 shares on the last day, this happened despite falling prices. It could be seen as an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next few days. A total of 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $727.98 million. Looking at its performance over the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price of the stock was $307.55, while the lowest was $105.10. Currently, the price stands at 4.89% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $15.05, making $307.55 the all-time high for this stock. In this video, we will discuss the latest analyst ratings for CRWD. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Wedbush gave CRWD a market outperform grade with a hold action. Similarly, Truist Financial also rated CRWD as underperform with a hold action on the same day. Moving on to Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded CRWD with an overweight grade. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Additionally, Needham also rated CRWD as a buy with a hold action on the same day. Analysts have given CrowdStrike stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the signals identified for CrowdStrike. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for the CrowdStrike stock. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, it gives a positive forecast for the stock, indicating a general buy signal. If the stock continues to gain, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $296.55. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $270.06. A break above the short-term average would send a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would send a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, there are some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, resulting in a 2.94% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign that should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator shows a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger indicator shows a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average shows a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 190 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 223 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock has found support just below today's level at $273.77 and $236.99. When a stock tests a support level, there is some risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For CrowdStrike, the next support levels are at $273.77 and $234.44, based on accumulated volume. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. CrowdStrike is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. It has the potential to move significantly during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent data, the stock has experienced a $9.23 difference between its high and low, which accounts for a 3.17% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.92%. Before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's start by understanding some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us evaluate a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio suggests that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through challenging periods, usually due to external factors. However, a consistent negative P/E ratio could indicate inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on March 5, 2024. Today, we'll analyze potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If CrowdStrike experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $293.46. If you're not already invested, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, if you currently hold shares, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if CrowdStrike faces a downward movement, its first support level is at $273.77. Should this support level hold, it could be an attractive entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the near future. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received a buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Michael Santonas conducted an insider sell of 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -45.846. Overall, insiders have purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is currently set at $280.87, which represents a decrease of 3.98%. It's important to note that this particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn increases the level of risk involved. Furthermore, we've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Seeking guidance from a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions is crucial. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us does not serve as the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We'd love to hear your insights. And of course, if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.